Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza like Italian. We begin with the foundation, the dough. Using 00 flour is crucial for that authentic texture, giving you a tender yet crisp crust. Hydration is key. Aim for 60 to 70% water to flour ratio for perfect elasticity. Knead your dough for 10 to 15 minutes to properly develop the gluten, then let it ferment slowly for at least 8 hours or even up to 24 hours for deep flavor development. Next, let's talk about the sauce and toppings. For an authentic Italian pizza, simplicity is paramount. Use only the best San Marzano tomatoes, crushed by hand, never cooked. A few fresh basil leaves, a pinch of sea salt, and a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil are all you need. When it comes to toppings, less is truly more. Focus on 1 or 2 high-quality, fresh ingredients to let their natural flavors shine through. Now for the exciting part, shaping and baking. Gently stretch your dough by hand, working from the center outwards, preserving those airy edges. Avoid using a rolling pin as it can flatten the crust. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally 500 degrees Fahrenheit or more, with a pizza stone or steel inside. This intense heat bakes your pizza in just 90 seconds to 3 minutes, ensuring a beautifully crispy crust. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Once out of the oven, a final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil enhances the flavors. Garnish with a few fresh basil leaves for that aromatic touch. Slice your pizza immediately and serve it hot to enjoy the perfect balance of textures and tastes. This simple approach truly captures the essence of authentic Italian pizza, a delightful culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.